How to increase transfer limit on Albert application. You cannot manually change or request an increase your transfer limit directly through the app settings, as Albert sets and manages all daily, weekly and monthly transfer limits dynamically. Albert's automated algorithm continuously reevaluates your limit based on your account activity, banking history and overall uses. Depending on whether you are referring to standard bank transfers or instant cash advances, here is how you can naturally maximize and view your limits. First, let's talk about maximizing standard transfer limits. Standard direct transfers are generally capped around $500 a day, $2,000 a week, and $5,000 a month, though specific external account transfer limits can reach up to $6,000 per calendar day. To encourage the algorithm to scale up your limits over time, you can do some things like setting up your direct deposit, maintaining a positive balance, and utilizing alternative methods if you hit your direct transfer limits. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.